What's your body telling you today? Is your body saying, my lower back feels stiff? Are you walking around looking a lot older than you actually are, moving in a way that doesn't feel right? Maybe your lower back is stiff. Maybe it's actually a bit jammed up in this area between your sacrum and your lumbar spine. And I'm going to show you quickly how you can release that using a simple yoga block. You could use a book. A thesaurus is about the right size, if you still have books. And this is based on the work of a very incredible physiotherapist, Sarah Key, and I'll put a link to a couple of her books at the end of the video if you want to read her books and her work. So with the yoga block, you start off on the ground. If you can get on the ground or a flat surface. Sit there. Good. And then you're going to pop the block, lift the hips up and pop the block underneath your very lower part of your back, your sacrum, and the lower part of the sacrum. So if you think where you want it to be is kind of where your pants would have been in the 90s. So not up here where they are now, or down here nice and low. You think about the vertical bum crease and you want the block kind of at the top of that, like that. So not here, down quite low, lower than you would think feels right. So you start on your back, lift your hips up, and then lower down onto the block. Then you can sort of wiggle your shoulders backwards, and what that's doing is giving you traction. And then you want to lengthen your spine. Imagine there's somebody up here taking a photograph of you, and you want to give them your best double chin. Now, if your chin is poked out like this, it might mean that your upper back's a little bit rounded, so you might want to pop a folded towel or a cushion underneath your head so that you can try to lengthen the spine and bring the chin in. And once you're there, you're going to slide one leg out, the other leg out, and then see if you can completely let go and relax. As you're doing this for 10 to 15 breaths, see if you can breathe into the lower sections of your lungs, keeping your neck and your upper chest relaxed as you breathe. And when you've done your 10 to 15 breaths, you're going to slide one leg up, then the other leg up, and then press down gently through the heels, move the block to the side, and as you come down, lengthen as if there's a giant pair of hands pulling your hips away. That will make your abdominal muscles engage, and then just let yourself come down onto the ground. Then we want to engage our abdominal muscles. We can do that in a couple of different ways. You could just inhale up, slide the fingertips up to the knees, and then exhale down. Do that 5 times. Or if you want a little bit harder, you could lift one leg up, press the hand into the knee, and then the other hand into the knee, press the lower back down into the ground, and then see if you can press the hands into the knees and the knees into the hands at the same time. So you're contracting without moving. It's an isometric contraction. And see if you can hold that for 5 breaths. You might start to shake and then release. And then it's also nice to do a bit of a rotation. So legs are nice and wide, side to side. Inhaling up and exhaling down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. And you can repeat that whole process another time or another 2 times. You can do 3 in total. When you come up nice and slowly, and you should feel younger. But don't listen to me, listen to you, listen to your body.